What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing the Harlem trains out of service in Spider-Man Miles Morales. So when you start the mission, you're going to have to go speak to Uncle Aaron.
Request came from a guy named Aaron Davis.
Wait, what? That's my uncle.
Does he know you're Spider-Man?
No, it's gotta be a
Then you're going to have
coincidence.
to go to the train station.
I'm headed to the subway stop.
Or at least the one that he picks up. In this cutscene.
What is going on?
Hey there. You needed some help? I'm Spider-Man, by the way.
Yeah, I know. Aaron Davis. I think somebody's messing with the sensors. I'm getting bad data from the main relay up top of Grand Central.
On my way.
Wait! Wait!
Yeah?
Where's the other Spider-Man?
Oh, he's on vacation. But don't worry, I got this.
And after that, you're going to go to the blue portal.
He definitely didn't recognize me. Oh, he's calling through the app? This is Spider-Man.
Hey, forgot to mention. There was a break-in last night right next door at Roxxon Plaza. A group called the Underground. Caught them hanging around my stop this morning.
The Underground. You know anything else about them?
They think of themselves as a young mafia. They've been around a while, but now they've got a new boss. Tinkerer.
Tinkerer. Thanks for the tip. So, you call Spider-Man often? Like for help?
Didn't really have a way to get in touch to this app thing. But I saw you on the news last night taking down Rhino. Figured you were the right person to call.
Cool. Have you, been working at the subway long?
It's a little while away, so
took the job last year after my brother. Well, anyway, I was trying to make some changes. Decided this job was a good place to start. The trains going down on my watch doesn't exactly paint me in a good light.
Well, when we fix them, you can tell your boss you showed initiative by using the Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man app.
I'll do that. Good luck with the sensors.
it should be right on the other side of this building.
There's the sensors.
I'm gonna go here, interact with this.
There are way too many wires on this one. It's gotta be messing with the signal.
Then you have to
Where do
scan
these cables go?
things. Down here. Break the door down.
Hey, yourself!
Do that.
Signal relays are being jammed by something.
Interact with this.
This is crazy tech. Hate to do this, but...
Sensors are back online. What did you do?
Took care of the guy messing with it. And it looks like they left some of their toys behind. Hey, I'm gonna have to call you back. Whoa. Bet I could use this to make those holo drones Pete designed. Huh. Looks like there's a bunch more of these
Then you
around the
unlock the
city.
ability to find those loot catches. Just exit out of that. Then you
Perfect
have
time to
do
try out
some
those new holo drones. Hey, Underground! We gotta stop running into each other! Keep it up! Okay. Hope the trains are running again. Should check in with Uncle Aaron.
Yeah,
Hey, Mr. Davis. How are things looking now?
I got a signal, but no trains on the tracks. Something must have gone down at the yard.
It was the underground messing with your sensors. I'm thinking, does Roxxon ever use the subway to ship new form?
Roxxon? The subway system was designed to carry people, not freight. This line got some updates when Roxxon Plaza was taken.
So they could be using it under the table. I'll follow up on it. So, you mentioned your brother. You got other family?
Haven't seen them in a while. I had to make some changes, like taking his job. I miss him, especially my nephew. We used to mix beats together.
Well, maybe now you can see him again. Zen, your family.
Hope so, kid.
Yeah. I should go. Fight underground. Bye. Underground's wrecking everything. Maybe I can stop them quietly.
Hurry it up! Tinkerer told us to get
Gotta
in and
split
out
those
quick.
guys up.
This stuff takes time, man! What was that noise?
Nap time, bro. Look at me, don't look at me. Good time to try out Pete's visor tech. Nice. Now I can track them.
Spider-Man's around here somewhere. Call out if you see him.
One down.
Spider-Man, stop that bitch!
I got a theory. You're trying to intercept new form. Am I slow? Like that.
Can't fight us without your free.
Not even close! Never about you!
That's all of them. Now to get the trains back on the tracks. Controls are probably in the office. Tinkerer. Unc said that's their leader. Oh man, they read the controls. Gonna have to get the trains back on the tracks by hand. Or web. I can use that turntable. That works.
You wanna do that?
Almost
Okay.
there.
You wanna move it?
Yeah, that's good. Now for the others. Underground looks up new form shipments, then kills the subways. Maybe they're trying to stop new form from reaching the city,
And
or
the second one,
what?
you need to turn this. Again, you're gonna have to move it.
That's right.
Then you have to move it this way.
Yes. Okay, one more.
And the final one. Okay. Come up here. Hold that.
It works.
Straight.
We've got trains on the tracks. Now they need power.
And you have to power them.
They busted the controls here too. but not the generator. Okay, I can use that to power the trains. Probably. My webs are conductive.
I'm gonna shoot a tether web. Connected to that. And the power is straight to the
Come on,
train.
trusty New York subway. Yes!
And the trains are back on
Hey,
the
Mr.
tracks.
Davis. Did anything change on your end?
Panels just lit up like Christmas. Good job, kid.
Glad to help. If anything else comes up, just post a note in the app.
Wait a second. I got a little something here. It's not much, but
For me?
it's the least I can do for the guy who just saved my job.
Cool, cool. I'll head back now.
You need to go back to Aaron.
Hey, Miles. Just landed in Europe. How's day one of solo Spider-Manning?
Pretty good. I stumbled on a conspiracy in my neighborhood.
Classic. You have a plan?
Sort of making it up as I go.
The mark of a true Spider-Man. Well, if you need me, I'm a phone call away. And a cross-Atlantic flight, but it's fun.
Sure, man. Oh, and thanks for the gift. It is awesome.
You earned it. Oh, MJ needs me. Gotta go. Bye. Dude, fixing the subways made the app blow up. You have so many requests. Like, oh, this one's from Teos. That guy rules.
Oh, I should definitely check that out, now that the whole city's counting on me.
We're like the #1 app in NYC right now. Check it out as soon as you're done with your uncle. He still doesn't know you're you, right?
Had a couple near misses, but I kept my cover. I'll check the app as soon as I'm done here. Later. Gotta hit Finn back when I'm finished helping Unc. Oh, hey, Mr. Davis. I'm almost there.
You gotta hurry, Spider-Man. Underground's here. Putting bombs on the tracks.
Bombs? For real?
Guess they didn't like you fixing things.
I'll get there as soon as I can. Hang tight, and don't go outside.
I get together because the underground's putting bombs in the tracks, gotta fight them.
Gotta stop this quick.
They're gonna blow the whole line.
Not if I can help it.
I can get this thing.
Hope webs work.
Check it.
There's more on the upper tracks.
I'll get them.
Spider-Man's hurt!
He's moving too fast! Stop him!
Across the intersection. Another one.
On it.
He's gonna throw it!
Grab that.
One more.
You can't stop us, Spidey!
So last night you learned new forms getting shipped by train. Then today you attacked the train. Why? To stop new form? To steal it?
Taking you down, Spider-Man! I'll take you down! Get out of my way, Spider-Man!
You did it, kid. Trains are back. Underground's
I'm
done.
gonna go back to
You
Aaron.
do good work.
The next train is arriving in 5 minutes. Please stand clear of the approaching train.
And you complete the mission.
You okay, Mr. Davis?
Yeah, thanks to you. Oh, hey, here you go. 1 year unlimited subway pass.
Thanks.
Did I get the name right?
How did you... okay, gotta go.
Hold up, Miles. I kinda suspected when I saw the news yesterday. Watching your moves on those escape cons, juking guys left and right, could've sworn I was back at the park playing pickup with you and your dad. You were quick then. A lot quicker now. Don't worry, I won't tell your mom.
Promise?
Promise. Look at you. If your dad could see you now,
He'd probably freak out.
he'd definitely freak out. So you taking over for the other Spider-Man?
Nah. Like I said, he's just on vacation.
Right. And he left you in charge.
Yeah.
A lot of responsibility for a kid your age.
I can handle it.
Hope so. But listen, you get in over your head, you give me a call. I'm here for you. Got it?
Got it. Thanks, Unc.
The next train is arriving in...
And then that was the Spider-Man Harlem Trains Out of Service. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.